Yo, y'all know who it is. Tony from Stick With Us Delivery Service. Hey, look, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button today. You know I love doing videos like this, man. When I'm able to meet my mentees in person, you get to talk to them, you get to see them on Zoom, but it's another feeling, another experience when you get to meet them in person. So I got one of my mentees, his name is Jaquel. He came all the way from Arizona. He just flew down here to South Florida. Noel from Elite Auto World just picked him up from the airport, and he's about to make a purchase of a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, which is one of the best vans out there if you want to get a cargo van. Ain't nothing like that Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, because those Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, especially the extended one, can hold 4 pallets. You can make a lot of money with that Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. There's a handful of my mentees that have them. London, he has it. London is making a crazy amount of money. London told me he's barely working, he's barely driving, and I think he said, don't quote me, but I'm gonna go look at the DM. I think he said he's doing about 4,000 a week, and he's barely driving. He's not just driving as much as he used to, because London goes crazy. London will always have 3 or 4 different loads from different brokers or dispatch companies inside of the back of his van. Like I'm gonna put a video up because I want y'all to see London work, so y'all can see how really they go. You know, I don't like to just, I don't talk. I like to show. So I want y'all to see London. London is different. Go follow him on social media platforms. He is a beast. Marlon has a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Cargo P has a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. There's a lot of my mentees got that Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, man. You can make a lot of money with a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. You can also make a lot of money with that Ford Transit, the 250 or the 350, just as long as it's extended cab. Those of you that's looking to get cargo vans, make sure when you get your van, you want to stay under 100,000 miles if you can, depending on what your budget is. Another thing you all want to do, make sure you get the high roof or the medium roof. The medium roof is fine if that's within your budget, then get the medium roof. And make sure you stay out. Right now we're in 2025, so get you a 2020 or newer. I mean, at the latest I'll go 2019, but other than that, like, you know, 2019 or newer, we're gonna go with that one. 2019 or newer, get that, and you should be good to go. Also, if you can, like I told y'all before, get a mobile mechanic. You can go right to Google, type in mobile mechanic, and it'll show you all the mobile mechanics. You can go to their website. You can hire a mobile mechanic to come out to the dealership. That way they're able to check the van. They're able to make sure the cargo van is good and ain't nothing wrong with that cargo van. That's something that y'all can do with a mobile mechanic. And they'll even put it on the machine, test it, see if any codes come up or anything like that. So having a mobile mechanic is very dope when y'all gonna be in this game. Also, y'all make sure y'all have everything ready to go. Make sure y'all have all y'all equipment, y'all tie down scraps, y'all scrap protectors, y'all 3-in-1 dollies, y'all jump starter that comes with it. I think it also has the air pump connected to it, carbon monoxide detectors. Some of you all want E-Tracks. That's another thing. Elite Auto World, if you go to Harbor Freight, Lowe's, or Home Depot, Elite Auto World will install your E-Tracks for you all. So that's the wooden floor with the E-Tracks on it as well. They will install that for free. All you gotta do, if you go get the parts, the plywood and all of that, they will install it for you for free. So that's amazing. Shout out to Elite Auto World for doing that. Anyone that want a cargo van, all they gotta do is call Elite Auto World at 954-606-6566. Just say, hey, Tony referred me over to you. He said y'all gonna take care of me. And like I always tell y'all know I'm very overprotective about my mentees and everybody, all my subscribers. I'm extremely overprotective over y'all. And before y'all buy a van, especially my mentees, make sure y'all reach out to me, chop it up with me, you know, and, you know, I'll vet the company, or I'll vet that person, or I'll be like, yeah, no, they good, or, you know what I mean? Because I just don't want y'all, you know, because you got people out here doing some crazy stuff. Everybody is trying to make $1, and I just don't want nobody having those situations, you know, with nobody on no shady stuff, man. I'm allergic to that type of stuff, man. So I don't want nobody going through that type of stuff. But also, shout out back to my mentee, Jaquel, that's flew in from Arizona. Another thing I want to talk about with him, hold on, let me see. We'll get a little more light inside of here, y'all. I like having that sunroof up. Another thing I'll say about Jaquel, man, I remember he was doing local deliveries in his personal vehicle, like doing local carrier work. He also was doing medical carrier work as well. And also, I got some availability throughout the country for medical carriers. I'm actually going to do a, what is it called? I'm going to do I'm going to do like a webinar for like a certain area when it comes to the cargo vans. I'm going to do a webinar because we got a lot of availability coming up in Massachusetts. I think they need 80 medical carriers to subcontract. And so that's going to be a movie. So be looking out for that, y'all. I keep y'all posted on that. That's a blessing, I swear, y'all. But yeah, so now he's about to get the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. I'm gonna walk him through everything he need to know on how to do this business and how to succeed in this business, because I want him to be great at this game, because this is life changing. If you do it the right way, if you build the right connections with the right companies, it'll change your life. Like, I think, you know, I know social media have a lot of us thinking that it's a quick flip. You can get all this, you get all this, and it's $1 a mile no matter how long distance it is. And it's like, yo, social media, yo. Let's stop. Y'all stop doing what y'all doing. Stop, you know, misguiding people and giving people misinformation. You know, you ain't got to sell a dream to get some views and a like. Won't you just be honest and just tell it what it is, and then teach people how to still make income and how to do the math so they can see the profit. You know, I tell people this all the time. If you got a load that's 1,000 miles, you get it for 80 cents a mile, you got it for $800. 1,000 miles only take 3 times to fill up your gas tank. That's roughly $200. You still made a profit of $600. I always break it down that way for people to understand how to break it down. It's not that hard. You know what I'm saying? People, I think we make it hard. Like, people be like, you know, like, oh, the rates ain't that good and rates ain't that. And I'm like, what are you talking about? The national average is 85 cents. I'm actually put up a map, and I'm going to put up the rate sheet so all y'all can see it. I want y'all to start using this rate sheet so y'all can be more advanced and have more understanding of what the rate should look like. So I'm going to leave that right here so y'all can be tapped in with that. That way we ain't got to worry about y'all saying, oh, the rate. No, you understand. Now the key is, though, understanding how to maneuver that and how to make money out of that. And then also, that's why I tell y'all, get that get that DOT and that MC number and the BOC and the UCR and the BMC-91 form. Get all that so you can be so your authority becomes active, and now you can be going to brokers and shippers directly, or getting on load boards and you skipping the middleman, and now you able to make your own money. So that's the key to this game, man. You know, you want to be hands-on. That's how you take full control over your business. And so, but we about to meet up with the big homie. Chop it up with him for a little while so y'all can see some more behind the scenes of how it go down, man. Stick with us. We truly got you.